Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. I'm going to show you today saris, kurtis, and jewelry item. See how wonderful it is. Green color with violet color border. This is Sana silk. See, see how wonderful it is. See, it's just 800. It's just 800. Sana silk embossed, 800 rupees only, offer price. Whoever need this, just take a screenshot of this and WhatsApp me to the number which I have given in the description. Only one saree is available. This only one color is available. If anyone need this, you can book this. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part with tassels, beautiful tassels attached, and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. See, see how wonderful it is. You can see, and this is the tassels part. Pallu with tassels. Pallu with tassels attached. Pallu with tassels attached. Green with contrast border. See, how wonderful it is. See, anyone want to buy this? Anyone want to buy this? You can just take a screenshot of the saree and message me. It's just 800 only. It's just 800. This is the blouse part. This is the blouse part. Golden color with double shade. Double shade. Golden color double shade. It's blouse. And this is pallu. This is pallu. This is pallu. This is pallu. Anyone want this? You can order. See how wonderful it is. This is border. It's rich border. Okay. It's Sana silk embossed saree. 800. Sana silk emboss. 800. It's offer price. You won't get this price the next day. So this is the blouse. Golden shade. It's double color shade. It's double color shade. It's just 800 only. Green color with pink. Sana silk embossed saree. Sana silk embossed saree. Next comes Georgia's black Banarasi saree. Banarasi saree, black with wonderful contrast color. It's orange color. This is pallu. This is pallu. See, this is the saree. So, black with contrast border, and this is pallu. This is pallu. This is just 1050 offer price. Actually, this saree in Chennai Silks and Pothys, you will get it not less than 1700 or 1800. It's just 1050 offer price. Banarasi silk saree, black with orange, mango border with flowers designs. See how wonderful it is. Orange with black color. Okay, it's wonderful. So anyone need this, you can take a screenshot of this and you can WhatsApp me in the description box given below. It's black with orange. It's black with orange. Okay, this is Banarasi silk sari, black with orange. Black with orange. See, this is half and half model, and you will have the skirt model as orange. So this will come in the frills part. See, if you see, this will come in the frills part, and this is black and orange is the pallu, and you will have the skirt part is orange, and even the blouse part you have orange. See how wonderful. If you wear this blouse along with this saree, you look gorgeous. You look really gorgeous if you wear. Black is lovely color. Anyone want to buy this? Just take a screenshot of this and message me on WhatsApp. Only one saree available. Who comes first, who transfers first, then it will be dispatched to them immediately. It's just 1050. Offer price, it's just 1050. Banarasi black saree with orange. Then comes this is another Sana silk saree, pink with blue. Pink with blue border. You have see the border, how wonderful it is. This is Sana silk. This is also Sana silk. It's 800. The saree is 800. 800. And you can see how nice it is. And this is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. And you have wonderful contrast blouse. See how lovely it is. Running blouse, contrast blouse. Pink with contrast blouse. Okay. This is 800. Anyone need this? WhatsApp me. And now comes jewelry. See, this is wonderful. Earrings, fancy earrings. You have 6 months warranty for this. You have 6 months warranty for this. It's just 300. It's just 300. Whoever needs this can take a screenshot of this and WhatsApp me or message me. It will be dispatched to your address. It's just 300. 300 rupees, 6 months warranty. Okay. Fancy earrings. Fancy earrings. Have only one available. Anyone need this? Kindly book it immediately. And next, we have matte jewelry set. Whatever I have shown yesterday, jewelry, bangles, it has been sold out. 2 bangles sold out, and black bead, that's also sold out. So I have only these 2 available. Matte jewelry set with jhumkas. It's just 750. It's just 750 only. See. It's just 750. देखो कितना अच्छा खूबसूरत लगता है, कितना सुंदर लगता है. सिर्फ 750 रुपया एक ही है. किसको भी चाहिए तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ था, व्हाट्सअप करेगा तो ये अपन भेज देंगे कोरियर पे. ठीक है, 750 ओनली. दिस इज जस्ट 750. मैट ज्वेलरी सेट विथ झुमकीज. Next comes thread earrings. Thread earrings. Thread earrings. 150. It's 150 rupees. It's 150. See, thread earrings. Blue color. And see, this is with stones with thread jewelry. Stones with jhumki hangings. Whichever I am showing right now, all these are just 100. But if you want to order this, like, you have to order for minimum 500 to be courier. Okay, it's just 100 rupees. It's just 100 rupees. It's just 100. Black, such lovely color. Black earrings is 100. And another black. This is hanging type. This is hanging type. And yellow, lemon yellow, wonderful color, lovely color. It's just 100. It's just 100. Friends, I request you people to just share this video to other groups so that everyone can watch live. Whoever placing order today will be getting surprise gift. Whoever place order today will get surprise gift. See, the black one, such a lovely one. All are just 100. All are just 100. See, black, pink, and another pink. See, it's lovely. All are just 100 only. All are just 100. Next comes the bangles. Thread bangles with stones attached. Green color. This is 250. 200 and this is 250. 250. Okay. And pink you have only one available. It's 150. It's 150 pink thread bangle with stones. The same time red color with stones attached. Thread bangles. Thread bangles full stone. So this is also 250. Okay. See. The single one is 100 and the other two green and red is 250. It's 250. And next one is yellow color. See, designs are there. And stonework also done. So this is 350. This is 350. 350 yellow color. This is for girls in the age group 5 to 7 years of age. 5 to 7 years of age. It's set bangles with pearls, with wonderful pearls attached. It's set bangles. This is set bangles. It's 250. This is also 250. 5 to 7 years girl, it will be okay. These are also set bangles. See, wonderful golden color with black, with stone work done. With stone work done. This would be 350 rupees. This is 350 rupees. The size would be 2/4. Size would be 2/4. So jewelry items are over. Now I am going to show you kurtis which comes along with the mask. Which comes along with the mask. See this along with this. See, matching mask. Mask with top. Mask with top. You have 3 colors in this: pink, orange and yellow. Pink, orange and yellow. Pink, orange and yellow. And the size is double XL. Size is double XL. You have 3/4 sleeves. Wonderful print. एकदम print बढ़िया. इसमें gold print है. Okay. See. If anyone need this, just take a screenshot of this and WhatsApp me to order this. Okay. It's cotton kurtis, 3/4 sleeve with mask. And you have 2 more colors in this. Lovely pink color. Lovely pink color with green mask. Green mask. Okay. And latter color is orange with orange mask. Okay, only 3 colors available. So thank you everyone for being on live and watching live. So I'll be coming live regularly every day. So please keep sharing these videos to all other groups and your friends, and requesting everyone to place more and more orders, and I would like to give your feedback as well for the videos. Okay, so I have given the contact number in the description mentioned, so you can WhatsApp or you can call for more details. Even bulk orders accepted. Bulk orders also accepted. When you book bulk, you'll be getting a special discount, and you'll be you can see more and more offers coming soon for Diwali. Then next to Diwali comes Christmas, so you'll be getting more offers. So even planning to show t-shirts, shirts as well. So stay tuned. Thank you everyone for watching this. Thank you.